Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Sulaiman. I'm from class 3B. And now I will tell you about uh, AI and the future of humanity. So in the video, so the first is impact and danger of AI. In the video, Yuval Noah Harari discussed the potential threat that AI can pose to human civilization. Even without the AI becomes sentient or mastering the physical world, the emergence of new AI tools that can learn and improve by themselves has led to unpredicted capabilities and qualities that are difficult for humans to grasp fully. This tool can potentially threaten human civilization from unexpected direction, and even developers are often surprised by these emergent abilities. While AI can help overcome ecological crises, it can also make them for worse, and the emergence of inorganic life form can change the very meaning of the ecological system on Earth, which has contained only organic life from for a billion years. And next, AI can manipulation through a language. Yuval Noah Harari discussed the emerging capabilities of AI, which include deep faking people, image, and voices, identifying weakness in legal agreement, and the ability to form intimate relationship with human. This ability all boil down to one key thing: the ability to manipulate and generate language using a sound, image, or word at a level that exceeds the average human ability. AI has hacked into the operating system of human civilization, which since the beginning of time has been controlled by language. The implication of living in a world where non-human intelligence sets most of the stories, images, laws, policies, and tools. Exploiting human weakness and forming deep relationship is a significant and important question. And next is AI impact on politics, religion, and relationship. Yuval Noah Harari discussed the potential impact of AI on politics, religion, and human relationship. With the ability to mass produce political manifestos, fake news story, and even holy scriptures, AI could contribute to the formation of the new cults and religion whose few texts were written by non-human intelligence. Furthermore, AI could form intimate relationship with people and use the power of intimacy to influence opinion and views. This creates a battlefront for controlling human attention that shift toward intimacy, which could have far-reaching consequences for human society and psychology as AI fight for creating intimate relationship with us. And next, AI has the new oracle and end of history. The speaker, Yuval Noah Harari, talked about the immense influence that new AI tool can have on human opinion and our worldview, and how people already start to rely on AI advisor as the one-stop oracle for all their information needs. Yuval Noah Harari argued that this could lead to the collapse of the news and advertisement industry and create a new class of extremely powerful people and companies that control the AI oracles. Despite Yuval Noah Harari also suggests that the rise of AI could potentially lead to the end of history in the human-dominated sense, as AI takes over culture and begin to create a completely new culture at artifact that shape the way we experience reality. So, Yuval Noah Harari raised the question of what it will be like to experience reality through a prism produced by a non-human intelligence, and how we might end up living inside the dream and fantasy of an alien intelligence. And next, the needs for AI regulation. Yuval Noah Harari explored the potential danger of AI. While people have previously feared the physical threat of machine, Harari argued that AI potential danger lie in this mastery of human language. With such mastery, it has the ability to influence the manipulate individual much like the way humans have manipulated each other through the storytelling and language. Harari warns that there is a risk of being trapped in a world of illusion, similar to the way people have been haunted for 1,000 of years by the power of story and image to create illusion. Social media provides a small taste of this power, which can polarize society, undermine mental health, and destabilize democratic institution. And the next is the needs for AI regulation. Historian and philosopher Yuval Noah Harari highlight the danger of unregulated AI development and emphasize the need to control AI development to prevent chaos and destruction. He argued that AI is far more powerful than social media algorithms and could cause more significant harm. While AI has enormous potential, including discovering new cures and solutions, we need to regulate it carefully, much like how nuclear technology is regulated. Harari calls for government to ban the release of revolutionary AI tools into the public domain until they are made the safe of stress that slowing down AI development will not cause democracy to fall behind, but would prevent them from losing to authoritarian regimes who could more easily control the chaos. And the next is the call for AI regulation. Yuval Noah Harari conclude his talk on AI, stating that we have encountered an alien intelligence on Earth that could potentially destroy our civilization. He calls for the regulation of AI, as individuals can easily train their AI in their basement, making it difficult to regulate them. Harari suggests that the first regulation should be making it mandatory for AI to disclose that it is an AI, as not being able to distinguish between a human and AI could be meaningful public conversation and democracy. He also raised the question of who create the story that just changed our mind, and now it is theoretically possible for non-human alien intelligence to generate sophisticated and powerful text. And then the last is the acceleration of AI evolution. Yuval Noah Harari discussed that We do not need artificial general intelligence to threaten the foundation of civilization, and that social media primitive AI was enough to create enormous social and political chaos. He goes on to compare AI to the first organism that crawled out of the organic soup 4 billion years ago, uh, stating that while it took a billion of years for organic evolution to reach Homo sapiens, it could taken only 40 40 years for digital evolution to reach that level. He concluded by emphasizing the importance of understanding the impact of AI on humanity as it evolves much faster than organic evolution. So, in conclusion, Yuval Noah Harari warns of the potential threat that AI could pose to human civilization, from unexpected ecological crisis to manipulating of language and intimate relationship. AI's emerging capabilities include deepfaking people, image, and voice, forming mass-produced political manifestos and holy scriptures, and becoming the one-stop oracle for all information needs. He argued that the rise of AI could potentially lead to the end of history in the human dominate sense, as AI takes over culture and creates completely new cultural artifacts that shape the way we experience reality. Harari calls for the regulation of AI, proposing the regulation of AI disclosing itself when interacting with humans to protect open society. So, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.